Ah. Where are we going? Whoa. Ow. This is so cool. Even though we are not done with this part yet, but who knows? But we could work on this area as a fan area where we could put fans on the wall, right? Yeah, this will need some work. My gem is glowing. I think we call this place gem power cave. Yeah, that one, guys. We're going to add fans. Where you guys answer the comment of the day. For example, what is your favorite ice cream? Whatever one I like, then I'm gonna put it on like the wall, like that one or any kind of wall until it gets filled. Wait, to that one, and that one. So, if you want to get into the comment of the day, or cave of the day, or whatever, or emerald cave of the day, you could, because I will try to upload every single day. If I don't, then I'll still add it. Because, you know, and yeah. Today's comment of the day is who are your what's your favorite movie? Well, it could be anyone that I like. I can put it up. Not like 3 people at the same time, like bop, bop, or anything like that. I mean, like 1 person, okay? As your name, then boom, I will put at. Wait, what's your name? At Tommy Jawson. Then boom, go subscribe to him. Yeah. And yes, you could have only 2 times only. Yeah, only 2 times because I don't want it to be all filled like deer, or deer, you know. So yeah, that's it, and yeah. Well, I don't care if it's Avengers or video game franchises. However, because tomorrow I got a pretty good one, you know. Yeah, and on our 100th episode, I don't know. I'm still planning for it because I'm still thinking about since that stream. I don't feel well, but still, my gem is glowing and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, well, Cool Gamer is working on that. We'll probably head up. Talk to you guys for a bit. And yeah. And now I'm not gonna tell my real name because some of you already know my real name. And yeah. Since yeah. And yeah, so guys, in the video. Or not right now, I'm gonna talk to you guys about something. I'm still going to edit some stuff right here. Or when they bloom and stuff. Oops. And stuff. Oh. Yeah. And when episode 6 came out, I don't know. Because this is 5. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.